I was trying to make my hair bigger, and really I shouldn't have did that. I actually like this side better with just using my hand compared to using my comb. It started to kind of disrupt the curl pattern, and I didn't like that. So I decided to redo this side, but it's not like this side. But so today's wig is from RpgShow. This is their curly lace frontal wig. I'm going to make sure I put information about this wig throughout the video, but of course you already know everything will be below in the description bar. This wig is very much fall approved. It is a really cute color. I think it's definitely good for someone who don't really know if they want to try color this fall or not. Still a dark wig, but the burgundy is not as bright as some of the other wigs I've reviewed in the past. So I definitely know that will help with those who may be on the fence about, you know, trying color this fall. But it's a really nice color, honestly. When I was washing the hair and I got it out the package, it looked a lot more red than it does right here. I'm not sure if it's because it's wet or because a lot of the color washed out when I was washing the hair. It bled a lot. I mean a lot. Just keep that in mind, that when you do wet this hair, it is going to bleed, which is normal for a red burgundy wig. I've always had that experience regardless of what company, regardless of what texture. I've always dealt with the bleeding of the wig when you're washing it out. Now, it doesn't stain the sink or anything like that. I don't know if it will stain your shirt, because one thing I'm not going to do is play with my clothes. I'm not going to do that. So that's why I did a black shirt today. And say the density is 200%. I would probably say like 150. It's definitely not giving me 200. And maybe it's because of the curl pattern. This is more of a loose curl pattern. It's not like that tight, super coily ring pattern that you guys know I love. This is more so on the loose end, but definitely a beautiful look, as you guys saw when I was wetting the hair. So either way, this is a very nice curl texture, and it does have a good amount of fullness to it. I just don't really see the 200%. Again, that could be just because of the actual curl pattern. As far as the lace, I don't see any information on the lace, but I'm just going to tell you guys how I feel about the lace. I definitely know it's on a Swiss lace because the lace is really soft. If it's not a Swiss lace, I would be very surprised, because the lace on this wig is super soft and delicate. But I definitely want to say this is a very blendable lace. As far as the hairline, I did have to go in and pluck. It wasn't a whole lot of plucking, but I did have to pluck in certain areas, and I did have to go in and bleach the knots. So yeah, it's a super cute color. I think overall, I think I've said this before with RpgShow, I'm really liking the way they have stepped up the quality and the fullness of their wigs. I would say like a year or so ago, their wigs wasn't as full as they are today, and the quality was good, but it's not like today's quality, especially when you are delivering on laces. The quality of laces have revamped so much within the last year, and I am so happy that RpgShow is keeping up with these revisions that is being made to wigs, because RpgShow is one of these wigs companies that's been in the game for a long time. I mean, they have, you know, not only been in the game for a long time, but they've been on YouTube for a long time. So I am very pleased and happy to, you know, be one of those people who have reviewed their wigs from a long time ago to today and see the transformation and see how they have invested into their wigs and their quality. Girl, you got me right there, because some of these wig companies don't even be caring, and they just send you whatever, and that's just what it is, and they not doing no revision or no upgrades, and they ain't listening to nothing you got going on or what you trying to say. Okay, I'm just telling you. But I know this RpgShow has changed a lot, especially with the fullness of their wigs. So love that. So it's cute. It's really giving, really giving. So all right, y'all, so thanks for watching. Again, everything about this wig will be below, and I'll see you guys on the next wig review. Bye.